guys, welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to be swatching this Vrenmol Polygel kit what I got off Amazon. And I showed this in my last AliExpress and Amazon haul, but I showed you it just very quickly, the colours. So I thought I'd give it a swatch because when I was looking at buying this kit I couldn't find any videos on it at all. I really didn't want to be buying a Polygel kit where the colours are really sheer. I was looking at buying some Polygel that was really opaque. So before I bought it, I was looking for some videos on YouTube to see what the colours was like, and I couldn't see any videos on this kit. So I thought I would give this a swatch and let you all see what the colours are like. They also do a rainbow coloured kit as well, which is really bright, bold colours like purple, blue, red, yellow, green. Like really solid colours. But I didn't really want to go for that one because I much prefer these sort of pastel-y sort of colours. But I'm going to see how I get on with this kit. And if I get on alright with it and the Polygel's alright, I think I'll probably buy that other kit as well actually. So let's get cracking and I'll get swatching these Polygels. So to swatch them, I'm going to be using these Short Almonds clear swatch sticks. I'm going to do it on the inside, so then I haven't got to top coat them. So I'm going to be using my Gursian Polygel brush. It's just a normal Polygel brush with a spatula on the end. And I've got some alcohol IPA in a dampen dish. I don't use slip solution. I find the alcohol's much better to use. Much. I just don't think you need nowhere near as much with the alcohol either. So, let's get cracking. Feels quite stiff, but to be honest, my room is quite cold, so that could be something to do with it. I mean, it's not too stiff that you can't work with it. It's just stiffer than the Mowbray, what I'm used to using. I think I was being a bit too tight there. Just a little bit too tight with that one I was. I actually really like working with these. They're not too sticky. Like I say, they're a bit stiff when you first get them out the tube, but then my room is quite cold. But once you start moving them around and working with them, they soon soften up. I'm thinking I probably will buy the rainbow colours as well. I want to start doing things like colour blocking and marbling and, you know, just something different. That is my plan anyway. Just doing some really different things with Polygel. So that's SY13. So now I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Now we're on to SY14. Now I've started playing about with them as well, and moving them around. They're heating up a bit, and it's definitely a lot easier to move about now. I don't like these corners in these swatch sticks. They're not very nice. They're a bit too deep. So that one is SY14. Put that in the lamp to cure. Now we're on to SY15. It's a really nice baby blue. I like this baby blue colour. So that one is SY15. Now we're on to SY16, which is, I think, probably my favourite one of all. It's a really, really nice purpley blue colour. Look at that. It's kind of a lilac, but it's got a bit of a blue hint to it as well. It's a really pretty colour. So that one's SY16, SY17, Now this is a real bubble gum pink. Look at that. Love that colour. It's absolutely gorgeous pink that is, isn't it? So that one's SY17. Now we're on to the last one, guys. The last one is SY18. And this one, again, is a really nice pink. This one's more like a hot pink, neon hot pink. Love it. It's going to be gorgeous for summer. This is, look at that. That's a beautiful pink. I love it. Right, and that's the last one, guys. SY18. So I'm going to pop that in the lamp, and then I shall come back to you with all of them fully cured. There you are, guys. That's them all swatched and all cured. And I'm actually really impressed with these. For the price that I paid, I mean, I don't think this is a bad little kit at all. If you're planning on buying this as a starter kit and you haven't got any polygels at all, you've got no kits, nothing, you need to bear in mind that if you buy this kit, you're also going to need to either buy some isopropyl alcohol or a slip solution, or else you're not going to be able to move the polygel without it being too sticky. So I have heard people use base coat, but I've not tried it, so don't take my word on that. I've never tried it myself. So yeah, just remember, guys, if you do buy this kit and you're just starting out, you are going to need to buy some isopropyl alcohol or some slip solution, and also you're going to need to get yourself a gel brush as well. You know, like this one that I showed you. These are the typical polygel brushes. This is a Gherkin one. You've got a spatula on one end, but I never really use it, to be honest. And then you've got your polygel brush on that end. That is your typical polygel brush. So you're going to need to get yourself one of those as well. So I shall leave the link to this polygel set in the description box below. And if I come across any cheap polygel brushes on Amazon, I shall also leave the link for one of them as well. But yeah, I'm actually really impressed with this kit, guys. Look how opaque these colours are. They are so opaque, and I have literally done the thinnest coat on there. Like, yeah, look, you can actually see, look how thin that layer is. What I've done, I have done the thinnest layer possible, and they're still really opaque. So I am absolutely buzzing with them. Really happy. The only thing is now I'm going to want to buy the rainbow kit, aren't I? Which is not so great. It's great for me, but not great for my bank balance. But I'm definitely going to have to get the Vrenmol rainbow kit, definitely now. After trying these and being so happy with these, yeah. You may also notice, guys, in the title I've put Vrenmol / Saviland, because Vrenmol is the sister company of Saviland. So there's a good chance Saviland has got this kit as well. I haven't seen the Saviland version of this kit, but I have seen the rainbow kit advertised by Saviland. So you may well find that Saviland do these colours as well in a kit, but I've not come across it yet. But Vrenmol is a sister company of Saviland, so I just thought I would point that out. But yeah, I'm really happy with these. I can't wait now to start doing some colour blocking and some marble with these colours. I've been dying to get some polygel colours for so long. So I'm really happy that I've got them. Yeah, I can't wait. And my nails still desperately need to be done, so I'm thinking I'm going to be doing something with these, but I don't know which ones. If anyone has any ideas of what they want me to do on my nails, I would love it if you would comment down below and let me know, because I am really stuck for ideas on my nails at the moment. I really don't know what I want to do with them. I don't know whether I want to sculpt, I don't know whether I want to do the laser girl method. I just do not know what I want to do. All I know is I want to do polygel on my nails. That is all I know, which I suppose is a start, but it's not really great, is it? But yeah, guys, if you have any ideas of what you want to see me doing on my nails, let me know down below. So that's everything for this video, guys. I really hope you like it. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell and click all. That way you will never miss an upload. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.